Hi guys. So I get asked the question a lot, do I feel like women are better cheaters than men? Now the term better does not imply glorification. It's not giving accolades for cheating, nothing like that, because there's no trophies with dishonesty. So better simply means, are women able and capable to get away with it more efficiently and for longer periods of time compared to men? Now, psychologically and emotionally, men and women typically cheat for different reasons. Scientists and psychologists have actually concluded that men will typically cheat out of kind of like convenience and availability, so AKA the right place at the right time. Whereas women will typically cheat if they feel, emotionally ignored, unsatisfied, and just kind of like unfulfilled. They also determined that one of the main reasons why women are better cheaters than men is because when men cheat, they typically do it out of a like egotistical mindset, thinking that they, are never going to get caught or that she's never going to find out. Whereas we as women, we're always on guard and we have a very organizational mindset and we plan for the long haul more. So don't get mad at me, get mad at science on that one. We also tend to have stronger memories due to us having a larger hippocampus, which is basically like the human memory center part of the brain. So unfortunately, we can remember our lives a little bit better and we can keep our affairs a little bit more in order than men can, no pun intended. Which also allows us to multitask. So we can do a lot of different tasks that are flowing at the same time, which makes it a lot easier to keep up with cheating. So in short, when a woman cheats, she tends to look at the overall vision and she also tends to look at the longer term consequences because we are planners. So we think about all of that before acting, whereas men tend to be more impulsive in here and now due to their higher levels of testosterone. So depending on how you look at it, women could be deemed the better cheaters simply because the way our brains are hardwired. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later.